Taking a look now at the latest COVID-19 case numbers being reported for Nueces County this Wednesday. There were 97 new cases today, bringing the total number here so far ever confirmed to 39,191. Sadly, there was one COVID-related death reported today, a woman in her 80s. As always, our condolences to these families and their loved ones. And tonight, 53 people are in the hospital battling the virus. Of those patients, 22 are in intensive care. And it was once again a busy scene over at the fairgrounds in Robstown as another drive-through and walk-in vaccine clinic was hosted there today. The health district says they had about 4,600 Moderna vaccines to administer. The clinic was for second dose patients. Organizers are reminding the Coastal Bend starting Monday, the vaccines will be available to all adults.
You can do your part by coming out and getting vaccinated. You know, that's part of the team. Our people that are coming in and getting vaccinated are really helping us control this pandemic.
So again, starting Monday, all adults will be eligible to get their COVID-19 vaccine. The health district opened their vaccine registration hours to 24/7. That information is on our website, KIIITV.com.
So the old Waves Resort, the former Waves Resort on North Padre Island, has been home to COVID testing in the past, but now the city has announced that they will hold their first ever vaccine clinic there on Thursday. According to city officials, the clinic is a drive-through clinic. It will be on a first-come, first-served basis. The city is partnering with Christa Spawn Hospital to administer 500 first doses of the Pfizer vaccine. And this will happen from 10 in the morning till 12 noon, again on Thursday.
This provides access to people not only on the island but Flower Bluff there, that instead of having to drive to Robstown or American Bank Center, easier access for them.
Registration is being done on the site, and those 50 years and older or 16 years and older with a comorbidity, as it's called, are eligible to receive a vaccine.